A director of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, K. Devadatta Sharma, said the department is taking steps to increase farmers' income and develop Manipur as a leading organic horticulture state. Speaking at the Meet the Press program organized by DIPR at Nityaipat Chutek, he highlighted the department's focus on organic farming, better market access, value addition, and modern infrastructure. He said the Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region MOVCDNER has covered 43,000 hectares and benefited around 43,000 farmers. Under the scheme, 76 farmers producer companies have been formed and farmers have received financial assistance, planting materials, organic fertilizers, biopesticides, and farm tools. The director informed that the department has developed collection centers, warehouses, processing units, transport facilities, and cold storage to strengthen the horticulture value chain. He said 17,563 hectares have been certified for organic cultivation and thousands of training programs have been conducted. The department is also promoting indigenous products like chakhao, pineapple, turmeric, ginger, and king chili for wider markets. Future plans include setting up a model integrated horticulture center, National Institute of Indian Lotus, expanding coffee and floriculture projects, increasing organic Manipur outlets, and promoting sustainable livelihood programs in poppy-affected areas.
RIDF funding makhada government gi ayabadi subject to approval of the government, subject to approval of the model horticulture center, haibadi state of art ki adumba facilities leiba khuding makki samna have the protected ki, hydroponic ki, aeroponic ki, cut vegetables ki, floriculture ki, whatever objective leiba most advanced hoiba technology mayam sing je utpham hoiba tambam hoiba adumba center ma production the loinana chathaba adumba center ma thamnabagi horticulture ki akan by project proposal to sulai have simasu ai thamjage siga iroina na ukrul sisu ekoina floriculture sida asauba ai khoi gi khudong chaba ma pi na ba department kan